Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G31 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to find Recorder app. If you don't have it, you can always go into Play Store, click on the search bar and download one. I will go with Samsung Voice Recorder. Then you need to download, for example, this app from this developer and tap on Open. Now select Continue, click on Allow and tap on Yes, I agree. Over here, click on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you're to delete it right away, click on this X icon over here and tap on Delete. If you wish to add a bookmark, for example, you need to click on this little icon here, type wherever you wish to or don't and choose OK. If you wish to end your recording and save it, click on this right button here and tap on Save at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully saved. If you wish to rename it, click on those three dots here, tap on Rename, type wherever you wish to, like Recording 2, and tap on OK. If you wish to delete it though, you can click on those three dots as well, but you can also hold your recording, tap on this bin icon at the top right corner and select Delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!